Meaning of embittered.
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 Embittered. Embittered means to become resentful, bitter, or angry due to a negative experience or perceived injustice. When someone becomes embittered, they may hold on to grudges, mistrust others, and have a negative outlook on life. This can lead to isolation, negativity, and an inability to move on from past events. The resulting behavior may be confrontational, rude, sarcastic, or passive-aggressive. Overall, being embittered can affect one's mental health, relationships, and overall well-being, making it important to find ways to heal and let go of negative emotions.